Hello, my friends. Welcome to the 442nd episode here on Ellen's Homemade Delights. I'm Ellen. Hope all you doing well and staying safe and healthy. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my Southern Kitchen. Today, I'm going to share with all of you some creamy rice pudding. I love this stuff since I was a little girl. My mama and grandmother used to make this for me all the time. And my friends, it is thebomb.com. It's going to be so delicious, simple and easy to make. We're going to cook it on the stove, and this is comfort food at its best. Everybody's going to fall in love with this rice pudding, and this would be your go-to recipe. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my maple pecan rice pudding, my desserts recipes playlist, and my previous video, cranberry orange muffins. I'll post a link to all of those down below in the description box. So grab your rice, your milk, and your pot sugar, because we're about to cook some rice pudding magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. All right, my friends, in my bowl, I have 2/3 of a cup of raisins, and I soaked them in 3 tablespoons of water. So now we're going to set the raisins aside while we work on the rice pudding. In my large pot, I got the fire over high heat. I added in 3/4 of a cup of long grain white rice that I washed. And we're going to add in 1.5 cups of water. Give it a quick stir. And all we do is bring it to a boil. All right, my friends, the rice has came to a boil. So all we do now is cover it. And we're going to cut the fire down to low. And we're going to let it simmer for 20 minutes. All right, my friends, it's been 20 minutes. Let's take a look at the rice. Oh yeah, perfect. So now to our rice, we're going to add in 1.5 cups of my favorite milk, evaporated milk. A 1/3 of a cup of white sugar. And 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. And give it a quick stir. So now we're going to let the rice cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. All right, my friends, the rice pudding is nice and thick. Perfect. All right. Now we're going to add in 1 extra large egg that I lightly beaten and 1/2 cup of evaporated milk. So that's a total of 2 cups of evaporated milk in the entire recipe. Give this a stir. And we're going to let this continue cooking for 2 minutes. All right, my friends, our rice pudding is complete. So now I cut my fire off. Time to add in our last few ingredients. The raisins that we soaked earlier and I drained the water. 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter and 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Give this a quick stir until the butter melts. Alrighty, the butter is nice and melted. Our rice pudding is ready to serve. So now I'm about to fix me up a bowl and I'll give it a taste. All right, my friends, I fixed me up a plate. There's one more thing we gotta add to it. A sprinkle of ground cinnamon right on top. Just like that. And there you have it, my friends. Old-fashioned, creamy rice pudding. Don't that look delicious? Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Grab me some raisins. Look at that. The raisins is juicy and the rice is tender. I love the cinnamon. Give the great flavor. This brings me back to my childhood. Ain't nothing like rice pudding. This is spectacular, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Rice pudding-licious. My friends, I want to thank all of you for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights on Instagram or send me an email, ellenshomemade@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. I'll see you next time. Let's eat, stay safe, and much love.